You're an Egyptian lord. You're Illuminati.
I'm Illuminati.
Just, I will sue you and criminally prosecute to the fullest extent.
Okay, I welcome that.
They stole $666.8 million from me.
Do you understand that charge?
$1 trillion with sovereign law. Donald Trump and Elon Musk are involved.
Oh, right then.
I'm very intelligent. I have a GED. I got a GED in 2013 in 3 months.
All right. Okay. All right. Been a pleasure.
This might be one of the wildest defendants we've ever seen on this channel. He's claiming to be worth over $660 million. Yeah, you heard that right. His words, not mine. You've got to watch this till the end because it just keeps getting crazier, and the ending will definitely shock you. The stuff this guy says doesn't even sound real half the time. Judge Simpson is doing everything he can to keep a straight face. Let me know in the comments if you like these back-to-back cases or if I should stick to one case per video. Let's jump in. This one's insane.
My name is Joshua William Wara. I'm representing myself in this case.
So you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, I would say there come some perils with you representing yourself. You understand that, sir?
No. I know
You
the
don't
mission
understand?
bar. I'm a jailhouse lawyer.
Pardon?
I know what I'm doing. You are working.
I'm sorry?
You are being paid by Adolf Mack to fry me. This is conspiracy for murder. Your wife, Delphia Simpson, came up here pretending to be Ann Arbor Comprehensive Care Center yesterday. You are originally the Tux family. You are an Egyptian lord. You're Illuminati. If you do not help me,
I'm Illuminati.
I will sue you and criminally prosecute to the fullest extent.
Okay, I welcome that. You're invited
Thank
to
you,
do so.
Cedric Simpson.
What do you want to do with your case today?
Ellen Wara, Adolf Mack, Jeffrey Peak, Cynthia Miller, Frank Stanton tried to set me up, along with Derek Miller and Ryan Miller.
Okay, but I've got to do something. I've got to do something. I've got to do something with your case.
Huh?
I've got to do something with your case. What do you want me to do?
I would like to sue. And what am I in court for today? And I would like to prosecute to the fullest extent.
Okay, so
And
let
I
me
can
do
sue
this.
for 10 times the amount of what was stolen from me. They stole $666.8 million from me. They then turned it into $5.5 trillion and then put a hit out on me. I legally can sue for 10 times that amount, which would be $550 trillion. And I can criminally prosecute to the fullest
I'm with you.
extent, which is
I'm
my
with you.
right.
I did the math too. Listen, here's the thing.
Mhm.
I have to advise you because if you are going to represent yourself, what you're here on,
I'm doing
okay?
it over Zoom.
So you're here on a complaint that alleges that on October 15, 2025 on South Main Street
The Pentagon's
in the
using
city of
prism to
Ann
make
Arbor,
the
Washington
Zoom,
County,
mess up.
that you failed to stop at the scene of an accident regarding resulting in serious impairment or death. Do you understand that charge?
$1 trillion.
Yeah, sure. And that's a felony, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration, a $5,000 fine plus court costs.
Which is actually 10 times the amount because I can sue because it's conspiracy to murder, and sovereign law would make it 100 times the amount. But since it is conspiracy to murder, sovereign law
I'm with
does
you.
not
I got you. I just have to let you know what you're charged with.
I can sue for
There's
1,000
also
times the
count 2
amount.
on the complaint that alleges that on that same date and at that same time that you did commit a moving violation causing serious impairment of a bodily function. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So there are serious perils representing yourself as opposed to having counsel. I would just have to advise you, you'd be treated the same. You were charged with making sure that you have an understanding and that you abide by the Michigan rules of that you abide by the rules of evidence and the rules of procedure. You understand that?
Yes, Cedric Simpson.
All right. And the other thing that I have to advise you of is that at any point during these proceedings, you wish to have counsel,
No, I do
then all
not
you
want
have to
any
do is
counsel, and I
just
want a bench
listen-
trial,
listen
not
to
a
what
jury
I'm
trial.
saying.
Because a bench
And
trial
then
is
if at
backed
any
on
point you
objective
if
evidence. A
at
bench
any
trial
point
is
you
objective
do
evidence.
want counsel, you just have to let the court know and the court will make sure that you have counsel.
No,
You
I do not
understand
want
that?
counsel.
Okay, so what do you want me to do with your case today?
I would
Now
like
that
to
I've
do a
gotten through
bench
that
trial
part.
because a bench trial is on subjective
bench
evidence
trial?
and a jury
Well,
trial
that's
can
not
be
gonna happen.
bribed. And they're trying to
Okay,
bribe the
you
jury.
can go to
So
circuit
I
court and
want
have a
to
bench trial.
prosecute with sovereign law and it's conspiracy to murder and Donald Trump and Elon Musk are involved and I can sue for 1,000 times the amount. And sovereignty
Your
does
Honor,
not
if I can
exist
inter- if I
because the
can
amount of money that
I
they
don't know,
put
I've
that
not
they
been
out
very
on
good at
me.
it, but
And Donald Trump and Elon
oh,
Musk and Adolf
so-
Mack and Doug Minkoff and Jeffrey Peak and Ellen Wara all have estates that and residencies in states that do apply the death penalty. I would like to get
okay,
Mack
okay,
in
I'm
the
with you.
chair.
I got you. Let me hear from somebody else real quick.
At first, I thought he was just pretending to be crazy, but after a few minutes, I honestly can't tell. He's throwing out names like Elon Musk and Donald Trump as if they're part of his case, then suddenly claims he's owed $550 trillion because people are spying on him. Like what? Judge Simpson looks like he's dying inside trying not to laugh. The way this guy talks, it's like he's living in his own world. I've seen people act smart in court before, but this guy takes it to another level. It's so hard not to laugh when someone's that confident about pure nonsense. What do you guys think, crazy or just acting?
But here's what I'm gonna do. Sir,
Frederick Simpson.
I'm gonna adjourn your
I do
case
not want a
out.
jury trial. You cannot adjourn this. This is a high profile case. Where I can't, yeah.
Okay, but you
There
haven't
are too
seen
many
the
people involved.
You
You have a
haven't
Neuralink
seen.
in your brain and you are being manipulated and bribed and conspired against for murder by the Nazis. You will work with me.
Alrighty then. So you don't want an adjournment?
No, I do not want an adjournment. I want a bench trial.
Okay, so
It's based on
listen.
factual evidence. The jury trial can be bribed.
I hear you. So the only thing that can happen is I can set this for a preliminary examination, but you haven't seen all the evidence.
I don't need all the evidence. I know all the evidence. Let me get a discovery
Okay, then.
packet though, so I can represent
So-
myself though, please. With all evidence, I would like to.
You want to represent
phone records and
yourself?
all evidence.
All right, listen. Okay.
I would like to
So you want this
subpoena
set for
Bill
preliminary
Juarez.
examination?
I would like to subpoena Bill Wara. I would like to subpoena Scott Casey, the Michigan militia, all of their phones, Doug Minkoff, Jeffrey Peak, Adolf Mack, Donald
We're not
Trump,
bringing all those people
Elon
down.
Musk.
Yeah, okay. If you want to subpoena them, then you can. But I'm not bringing all those folks. My problem is he's asked for his exam. So I will have to set it. I wonder who'd like to hear this.
Your Honor, would we still be on the case?
Mm. Hang on, I'll get to that in a minute.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I'm gonna indicate he doesn't want his discovery. Says he doesn't need it. Would they, man? I'm not gonna have the complaint that's rights have been infringed, so yes, I'm gonna do it. And you're gonna be mad. It's okay.
You don't care about my feelings.
I don't care about your feelings because you don't care about mine. But we shouldn't air this in public. Sir, I'm gonna
Yes.
give you your preliminary examination. So your preliminary examination will be set in person.
Your Honor, I'm so used to just
And,
saying, yes, sir.
Adolf
No,
and
but
the
I
judicial
realize it's
court
closed, but,
with Carol Conkey and East Hope, et cetera, et cetera.
excuse me?
Carol Conkey is involved. She is at 22nd Judicial Circuit Court with Feiger and Ellen Wara and Jeffrey Peak. Elon Musk is with Trump at the Michigan Supreme Court in Lansing. I do not want to adjourn. I want a bench trial now.
I am not adjourning. I'm giving you the quickest preliminary examination I possibly can.
Yes, sir.
But I have to hear from all sides regarding that. I would set it for the 28th. Counsel, most of these witnesses are police witnesses, so we could at least begin.
Okay, thank you. What's
That's a
today?
yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What
Thank
is
you.
today, Simpson?
Pardon?
What is today, Cedric Simpson?
Today is the 23rd.
Okay, Miss Lee, I'm sorry that I'm executing your husband.
You're executing what?
Miss Lee's husband, who is Adolph Mack. I'm giving him the electric chair. And I'm
Alrighty
suing
then.
him for everything he owns. He's JP Chase Morgan. He owns Chase Bank. I want Chase Bank.
Okay. All right.
I'm suing for Chase Bank and giving JP Morgan Chase, who is Adolph Mack, the electric chair.
Okay,
If
thank
Elon
you.
Musk works with me. I am sorry, Cedric Simpson, that and Adolph Mack, JP Morgan.
I'm going to set your preliminary examination for October 28th, 9 a.m. That will be before me.
Then comes his in-person hearing, and somehow it gets even worse. He starts talking about sovereign law, and that's when you already know it's about to go off the rails. Every time someone says that, it turns into total chaos. He's throwing out random legal words that sound smart but mean absolutely nothing. And you've got to hand it to Judge Simpson. He's trying so hard to keep it together while this guy talks in circles. I honestly can't tell if he believes this stuff or if he's just doing it for attention. Either way, it's painful and hilarious to watch. Drop a like if Judge Simpson has ever made you laugh. This hearing might be his toughest one yet.